All right, so here we are in Makerverse. We already have our computer connected to the machine through port COM5. First thing we're going to do is upload the program. Next thing we're going to do is unlock the controls to the machine so we can center everything. I already have the router relatively in place, but we can make a few final adjustments. So the router is already, the Z-axis position already has the router sticking out quite a bit, so I'm going to bring that up so I don't actually break the tip off my router bit. I'm going to adjust the X and Y axis, just moving 1/8 of an inch at a time. All right, that looks like we're right on the corner, so we're going to set the X and Y positions to 0. And then we're just going to double check that our Z-axis is where we want it to be. Now our bit is just touching the material, so we'll set that as 0. Bring it back up again so we don't accidentally break the bit off. And since everything's good to go, we can turn on the router and our vacuum to collect the sawdust and begin the cut.